In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete expense in QuickBooks Online. If you've entered an expense by mistake or you've spotted a duplicate, deleting it is quick and clean when you know where to look. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting an expense permanently removes it from your books, which can change reports and account balances. If you just need to correct details, consider editing instead. And if you're required to keep a paper trail, know that the audit log will record the deletion event, even though the transaction itself is removed. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into your company. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu. Choose Expenses and Pay Bills to open the Main Expenses workspace. This area collects your vendors, bills, purchases, and out-of-pocket expenses in one place, which makes it easier to filter and find the transaction you want to remove. Next, switch to the Expense Transactions view. This list shows individual expense entries such as credit card expenses, cash purchases, and other non-bill transactions. Use the search bar, filters, or date range to narrow down your list. Filtering by vendor, amount, or last modified date can save you time, especially if you have a large volume of activity. When you see the expense you want to remove, open it by selecting View/Edit. This brings up the full transaction so you can confirm you're looking at the correct one. Double-check the vendor, date, payment account, amount, and any attached receipt. Taking a moment here helps prevent deleting the wrong transaction, particularly if you have similarly named vendors or repeating purchases. With the expense open, look for the More option, typically found at the bottom of the transaction window. Click More, then choose Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm. Accept the prompt, and the expense is removed from your list and from your reports. If the transaction is matched to a downloaded bank item, part of a reconciliation, or blocked by a closing date, QuickBooks may warn you or restrict the deletion. In that case, review the message and coordinate with your accountant or admin to proceed appropriately. That's all there is to it. You've navigated to Expenses and Pay Bills, moved into the Expense Transactions view, opened the item with View Edit, and used More to delete it. If you have multiple incorrect entries, repeat the same process and keep an eye on your filters so you stay organized. Once you're done, refresh your reports to confirm totals look right. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your QuickBooks data clean and accurate.